Hello friends, welcome to our new video. Let's see the today's problem. Okay, the today's problem is Alexa and strings. Okay, so let's try to solve this. Before that, if you are watching our video for the first time, or if you did not subscribe to our channel yet, then please go and subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon as well, so that you can get the notifications of our new videos. Okay, so let's see the problem statement. Okay, here you can see that we have given a problem statement. The problem statement is Alexa loves to play with strings. She is given a string as consisting lowercase English letters. Okay, if A appears in string yes, then print the last index at which it appears. Otherwise, print -1. Okay, the index starts at 1. Okay, so in the input we have given the one string. Okay, so in this problem, what we have to do, we have given a string yes uh, of lowercase English letters. Okay, and we have to check that if A is present in this string or not. Okay, if the A is present in this string, then we have to print the last index of the character A where it present. Okay, we have to print its last index. Okay, if the A is not present in the string, simply we are going to print -1. Okay, so let's suppose we have given the string, let's suppose A, B, and C. Okay, so we have to check that if this A is present in this string or not. Okay, so here the A is present at the first index. Okay, and it appears only once. After that, there is no A present in this string. Okay, so we are going to print 1 in this case. Okay, and another, if there is another A is present in this string, let's suppose the string is A, B, C, and A. Okay, so we'll check that if the A is present in this string. Okay, so the first A is present at first index, then again we'll check for another remaining string. Okay, so here the A is again present in this string. Okay, so this A is present at, this is first index, this is second, this is third, and this is fourth index. Okay, so the A is present at fourth index. Okay, so uh, so we have to print the last index at which the A appears. Okay, so the last index where the A occurs is 4. This is okay. So the output for this should be 4. Okay, okay. So this is the code. Sorry, this is the problem statement which we have given. Okay, so here you can see that we have given some sample input and output for this problem. Okay, so let's see here in this string. Okay, here the A is present at the first index. Okay, so uh, the first we are going to store the first, let's suppose we'll store it in some variable. Okay, the first index, then again we'll check the if A is present in this string, remaining string or not. Okay, so here the A is again present in this string. Okay, so the index of this is 1. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is the index. It starts from 0. Okay, let's suppose this is 0, 1, this is 2, this is 3, and this is 4th. Okay, so this is the 4th index. Okay, so what we can do, this is the 4th, so it starts from 0. Okay, so this index plus 1, that is 4 plus 1, or what we can do, let's suppose this starts from 1, so the appearance of this A is at, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5th index. Okay, so we'll store this 5. Okay, instead of 1 in variable. Okay, again we'll check if there is A is present in the remaining string or not. Okay, so here again you can see that the a is present, okay, at the index. This is fifth index, this is sixth, and this is seventh index. Okay, so we'll store the 7 inside this, the string, inside some variable. Okay, and again we'll check if yes, a is present. Okay, so a is not present, so this is the last index where the a appears. Okay, so we'll print this. Okay, so you can see that output for this should be 7. Okay, and in this sample input, uh, you can see that there is no a is not present in this string, so simply we'll print -1 in this case. Okay, so now what we can do, let's try to understand how we can solve this problem. Okay, so simply to solve this problem, what we can do, okay, so okay, let's suppose this is we will take the one string. Okay, so this is the input string. Okay, then what we can do, uh, let's suppose here we'll uh, take one variable. Okay, let's suppose opens. Okay, and we'll uh, initialize it with -1. Okay, now what we can do here, we'll write one for loop. Okay, which is for which runs till string dot length. Okay, okay, and uh, we can start it from I equals to 0 or 1. Okay, we can start it. Okay, and then what we can do, uh, let's suppose we'll start it from 0. Okay, and after that what we can do, inside this we'll simply check that if a is present or not. Okay, for that what we can do, here we'll write string dot caret. Okay, to check the uh, character is present or not. Character of I equals to the character which is a. Okay, if this a is present, okay, then simply what we can do, we'll do write occurrence equals to I plus 1. Okay, as we have started this from 0, so we are going to write the +1 here. Okay, and after that simply we'll print occurrence. Okay, so that we'll get the our output. Okay, so this is the one way to solve this problem. Okay, we can solve this by using another way as well. Okay, so in the another way what we can do, um, let's suppose we'll divide this string uh, into a sequence of characters. Okay, by using to char array method. Okay, after that what we can do, uh, we simply will start the loop from end of the string, that is string. And let's suppose this is for loop, and we are going to start this loop from string dot length -1. Okay, and this I should be greater than equals to 0. Okay, we'll start it from the end. Okay, and we'll check that if the uh, string of I equals to a. Okay, and uh, if we found the a, then simply we are going to print I plus 1, so that we'll get the index of that uh, occurrence of a. Okay, and simply here will break or will return. Okay, break or return. And if this is not if A is not found, then simply will print -1. Okay, so like this as well we can solve this problem. Okay, so now let's try to write the code for this problem. Okay, so first we'll write the scanner class to take the input. So I will write scanner sc equals to new scanner system.in. Okay, after that what we can do here, we'll take one character array. Okay, let's suppose str equals to uh, str dot or sc dot next dot to char array. Okay, after that what we can do here, we'll write one for loop char I equals to str dot length -1. This I should be greater than equals to 0, then I plus plus. Okay, okay, so inside this for loop, simply we are going to check that if this str of I is equals to A. If A is present, then simply we are going to print I plus 1. Okay, and simply we return this. Okay, and if we have not found the A, so here we'll print -1. Okay, so this is the code for this problem. Now let's try to run this. So I'll copy this input. Let's paste it here. Click on run. Output for this should be 7. Let's see. Array out of bound exception. Okay, okay. We have started this for loop from the end. Okay, so we have to do here minus minus, not I plus plus. So click on run. Okay, you can see that output is 7, which is correct. Okay, now let's see for this. We'll copy this. Let's paste it here. Click on run. For this output should be -1. Okay, you can see that output is -1. Okay, now all the sample inputs are showing correct output. Now let's try to submit this. So click on submit. Okay, here you can see that all the test cases has been passed. Okay, so that's it in this video. अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. Okay, so मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में.